On? Yeah, the traffic here for me is so much. I couldn't drive a car here. Never, 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 never. I'm scared all the time. Oh my, I don't know how you do that.
Show them the traffic. So many cars, so many bikes.
I don't know, now it was over, but there was just a whole situation right now to get out. And then people are walking everywhere, and this is like so much. Guys,
Germany is quite empty, guys. For her,
we
this
don't
is new.
have this. I mean, it's not new, but I haven't seen it for so long again. I think that here, especially this area, quite tough. See you there.
But guys, there's a thing. Literally, I'm telling you.
Why?
Now we were having dosa.
Ah.
Everyone was staring again.
I'm not seeing that. I don't look around. Be careful.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay, guys. Love you. Do this. My name was.
No, what was it?
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. It has been so many days.
Yes, guys. In Bombay, she kept my name. Ooh. I don't know, because for the first time when she was saying my name, she was like, "What's your name? What's your name?" I was like, "Utkarsh." She was like, "Ooh."
There was a reason for it. I don't remember what, but there was a reason. We were talking about the kissing situation. Oh, cars.
But guys, in Germany, there's not this much traffic, so that's why every foreign woman when
Be
she
careful. And there's the
When-
air pollution and everything. And it's so much. Help me.
tell your first impressions about India. Just keep camera to you.
Why?
Road, street, everything. Just speak.
You look at the street, please. I'm saying it is just that there's so much pollution that it is also hard to see the streets.
Yeah, you
which
can't.
Makes it
And there's
even-
no street light.
And then also there's a lot of bumps on the street, and there's no sidewalk. And like I'm used to Bombay, and they have a lot of sidewalks,
yeah.
and they don't have it here, and that's something I really miss. So I think that's one of advantage I see in Bombay for sure. Like here you have some really cool, like nice modern buildings. I like the housing also, you know, like here it's more spacious. Bombay is so it's small, so it's quite, you know.
Yeah, and it's cheap.
Cluttered.
Also. It's cheap here.
Yeah, so it's really hard to find a good apartment. I was also searching, and here, careful. Okay, here, like there's more space, right? So you can actually get a house or like a big apartment or something like more, and also more new and modern. They're less. So
yeah, guys, if you can drive in Delhi, you can drive everywhere around the world. This is a fact. If you can't drive in Delhi, you can't drive anywhere. Okay.
I'm not gonna drive here. I'm okay to not drive anywhere. Honestly, I'm a driver, a passenger's princess. So
Deeparani.
Deeparani,
Deeparani means
everywhere,
princess.
in every place. in
But you
any way.
must have felt happy when I came to pick you up and with the note, right?
Obviously, it was cute.
Yeah, I was like.
A nice welcome to Delhi.
But still, I'm your bro.
Obviously.
I did that for you.
Obviously, that's really nice.
No, I'm saying I did this much for you. Still, you make me your brother, huh? Still, I'm your brother.
Obviously.
Obviously.
That's what I'm saying. Obviously.
Okay, guys. This
That's
was
a
it for.
bare minimum for friendship as well.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay, guys. This was it for. Guys, now I'm taking her to
Careful.
studio. Let's see if we can shoot inside. If we are able to shoot inside, it'll be fun. If not, still we'll shoot because this is our work. Okay. So see you at Zudio, guys. Love you. You are the best, guys. Yeah. And tonight we might go to a
Be
party.
careful.
We are giving you a spoiler.
So much. The light is so aggressive here.
So guys, this
These
is.
car lights, they make me crazy.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're going to a party maybe.
Yeah. Tonight we might go to a really fancy party. Let's see. It's not sure yet, but we might go. Okay, guys.
Let's see.
So there we will see how great our dance is.
We already saw me dancing.
That was with the teddy, but without the teddy, without the instruction.
It's, then I can't, but we'll try. And I want to see you dancing again.
I dance like shit.
Yeah, me too, so we can dance shit together. That's what friends do.
That's what
bros.
friends do. Bye, bro. So guys, I'm taking her to the most expensive clothing brand in India, Zudio.
Let's see, I'm excited. I want to see what they have.
But the only issue is they won't let us shoot inside. So let's see. Fingers crossed. If they let us, good. If they won't
Maybe
let,
turn off the flashlight.
yeah. If they won't let us, then they're fucked. Because you know my muscles, huh?
What?
You know my muscles. If they won't allow us to shoot you, I can beat them up.
Oh, stop it. Don't beat. Guys, be kind. Never beat anybody up.
Huh?
Do you want to... They have female here and male upstairs. right?
Female here, male upstairs. I'll just buy, whenever I come here, I buy a t-shirt of 200 rupees. Let's see, come here. Guys, who's more pretty? Comment down below. Who's more pretty, guys? Obviously, she. I know.
Right, so
So what are you buying? तो भाई यहाँ ये देख लो अब 100 यूरोज में ना पूरा जूडियो खरीद सकती है 100 यूरोज मतलब 10,000 रुपये 10,000 रुपये 100 euros means like how many rupees?
100 euros, 8,000 around.
8-10,000 rupees, right?
Like a little bit less, maybe 7,500 or
So I'm
8,000.
saying in 100 euros you can buy the entire Zudio.
I don't think so.
Yeah. Don't buy short dresses. I don't like short dresses because I'm your brother.
That's a shirt, don't worry.
Yeah, there's a shirt. Guys, I'm wearing a Zudio shirt by the way. So Greta, if you wanna give fashion advice to women who are watching you, what do you wanna give?
Advice I would like to give that you have to understand your body figure first. That's the most important thing if you buy any clothes, because your body figure changes any piece. You know, not everybody can wear everything for any figure. So you can go and check your body figure, and then you can research on what kind of types of clothing will fit to your body type. It's all online. You can find everything online. But research on that, then you can understand also what's your color, because every tone and
What's your color?
my colors are like, okay, if we do no colors, I would be white. It's not a color, that's why I have pink. Pink is good, purple is good.
Guess my favorite color. Guess my favorite color.
I don't know.
Still, if you were to guess.
Blue,
Black.
it's not a color.
It's not a color.
Blue and white are not colors, gray is not a color. Colors?
White, black and grey are not colors.
No.
So then blue. Yeah, you were correct.
So
Yeah. So what are you
that's what I'm
buying?
saying. This is the most important, guys. You understand? You can research what is your color type also. What color fits to you as a person. There's some specialists, but I'm sure you can research a lot online as well on that.
I think this will look good on you, this black one.
This would not look good on me because I have a big, big chest. So a big chest, and this can be fine for me. I would wear it if I wear a jacket, which is like a more like big baggy jacket, because then you won't see. But otherwise, it will fall. I will look bigger in it because of my chest, because it doesn't form my body. So which is why if you have a bigger chest, it is recommended to, especially also you have these buttons which might not fit the size.
Expose your chest.
Yes, for example. So you have to be really careful that it doesn't make yourself look bigger. That's what I always recommend with these.
So that's
as
fashion tip from the pro.
Yeah.
Note down the notes. Whatever she's saying.
So as a big chest woman, I generally recommend something more like, you see, tight, depending on your body type of again, still body type as well.
Right, it's very super easy for us. We have S, L, M. They have different sizes, like very much sizes, right?
No, we have the same.
We are the same.
S, M, L. Yeah, we use the same.
Yours is M or S.
No, small, medium, large.
What's your size? X.
Small.
Small.
Okay, so yeah, guys, research about that before you go shopping. I would say this is the biggest advice I can give you.
So yeah, pick now dresses for you. Then I'll go up and buy my dresses. तो भाई ये चक्कर है भाई फैशन टिप दिलवा दी फ्री में है जो छोरियाँ देख रही हैं 2-3 जो भी हैं पता है मुझे सारे लौंडे देखते हैं बट एक तो लड़कियाँ कमेंट कर दिया करो जो देख रही हैं मुझे ठीक है आई एम टेलिंग देम इफ लाइक मोस्टली माई ऑडियंस इज मैन बट एनी वुमन इज वॉचिंग सो प्लीज से थैंक्स टू ग्रेटा बिकॉज शी टोल्ड यू सो मेनी थिंग्स
It's also for men, by the way. I mean, you know, not about the chests, maybe, but otherwise, you can also figure out what fits to your body type and your color. So, I mean,
So guys, if you're living in India, it's a blessing also because in Euro, like in Germany, can you get a cloth in like 3-4 euros?
no,
No. What's the starting price of the clothes in Germany?
2,000.
2,000 rupees.
I mean, sometimes you can get something for 1,000 in the sales, but that's a minimum, maybe I would say.
Okay guys, so you're buying something from here, no?
I'm just checking. I like these.
You like this, you can buy them. Gift from my side.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The good thing is I don't have to try on stuff also.
Yeah, you
I
can buy.
don't- Do you try on stuff?
No.
I barely try on. I think as a
I
model.
try.
But I figure that most of the clothes I know, when I look at them, I know if they fit or not. Because of I wore so many clothes in my life as a model.
They'll fit you.
They will fit me as perfect. I mean, this material is figuring out your figure as well. You get it? Like it becomes
It's like body fit type.
Yes,
Like
body
compression. Yeah.
body fit. So it will
But then
fit me.
you'll look much more broader, I guess.
No, I will not look broader because I'm not broad here, right? So you have to see this part that it is. If I want to look not broad, I have to be. Either it is tight or I have this part so that you can't see that I'm not the same. Because if you wear oh my god, guys, this is so complicated, but funny actually. Because if I wear a shirt like this, you would it is
Yeah,
too
good. Loose, then you'll look
loose.
more big, yeah.
If you wear loose stuff, basically, yeah. So this, which color do you prefer?
Pick any. I think blue. This is like quite like girly. You are my bro.
But I am girly.
You are my bro. You are my
But I'm still girly.
bhai.
Oh, how about both?
I'll just buy you one, yeah. इतना भी थोड़ी है भाई.
You know the price? 400 rupees. Come on.
Yeah, okay, then buy two. What do you feel like? Buy. इतना तो कर ही सकते ना भाई. 800 रुपये बस. 800 से भाई नहीं चाय होगी, डोसा हो गया ना भाई. बजट क्रॉस हो रहा है भाई. बजट क्रॉस हो रहा है भाई. टोपी देख रहे हो? 4,500 की टोपी है. मजाक से हट के गाड़ी में पड़ी रहती है सड़ी मेरी नहीं है ना, चाचा के लौंडे की ली थी भाई. मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या लूँ. हर चीज़ ले चुका हूँ. घर पे 40 टी शर्ट पड़ी होंगी, 40 जूडियो की. पता है कौन सी वाली है? सारी ले चुका हूँ इनमें से सारी. एक उठा लूँ, काम ही आती है ना. बॉम्बे से भी बस ये उठा के लाया था एक. उठा लेते हैं यार अब कोई काली सी एक बेसिक सी टी शर्ट. पता कौन सा कलर उठाऊंगा इस ढीली से उठाऊंगा. ओके, एक्सेल लेते हैं अब की बार. एक्सेल. आई बीन लुकिंग हियर फॉर like half an hour, but I couldn't find anything.
Well, not every day is a day you should buy something, you know. You should love it and then you buy it.
I wanna think to buy a white black t-shirt, but I have many. I should or no? No, I have plenty of black t-shirts. Pick me out.
Pick blue because it's your favorite color. Come, let's go.
If you have to choose anything for your boyfriend, what would you choose?
From this outlooks,
Yeah. No.
I'm trying to see what they have there. This is quite tough. I mean, it depends on the boyfriend. You need to see what style they wear.
If he's just like me, looks wise. Oh, these pants, come see. भाई साहब, cool लग रही है ना? हाँ, are they nice?
They're quite cool. It depends on how they sit, right? They're going to be really baggy.
They'll be baggy, but they won't be long. I think they are short for me. Greta, pick slippers for me. These
Or which one?
or these.
This.
Huh?
This.
Which I'm wearing right now. चलो भाई चप्पल ले लेते हैं. Cool लग रही है ना? Are they looking cool?
Yes. I like them. Easy one. Just take. You don't even have to try much. You know?
Goes with every outfit.
Goes with every outfit. I like also that the sole is quite big and you have this like, yeah. It gives it a good vibe. Also, it will be comfortable. Like you have a lot of space between the floor and your feet, which can be good also because it's more. I think it's more easy to walk on that.
Whenever I'm coming next for the shopping, I'll bring her because she's so nice, guys.
I've done like a lot of. I have a lot of experience in fashion. I've done a fashion TV show for a long time where you have to style yourself and you get rated. So I've done 60 episodes on TV for that. It has been a tour, so I've learned a lot about fashion. So, but that's for female. But some rules apply for everyone. You should always try to wear more color. People around you tend to be more happy. Color makes yourself more happy. There's a study around that if you wear color, you're automatically more happy. You smile more. So that's why everybody. That's why everyone in India is so happy because you guys wear colorful clothes.
I wear
But
black.
you are
I wear black, but it's always I'm happy. Okay, भाई ये ले लेते हैं. बढ़िया चप्पल है. 10 नंबर है तुम्हारे भाई का. जिसका पैर बड़ा तो उसका सब बड़ा. There's a saying in India, if your like feet is big, then everything is big.
We have a different saying in Germany.
You heard the saying.
I know.
जिसका पैर बड़ा उसका छोटा. ऐसा नहीं होता भाई. चलो भाई चप्पल ठा लें. इसको दे देते हैं यार. कितना तो करा ही सकते हैं. 800 तो कर ही सकता हूँ ना. 1800 नहीं करता भाई. 800 कर सकता हूँ. 1800 भी कर देता भाई. मैंने बोला ऐसा जो भी लेना ले ले, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. You want something else?
No, ho gaya.
You want something else for your boyfriend? I can like buy him. Buy.
I don't have a boyfriend, lah.
She made me
Yeah,
her.
already started
She made me her brother. She made me her brother. Otherwise, I would have the one. I would have the one guy you would have dated, huh? But guys, for the first time, nobody stopped us from shooting. Right? They're not saying anything
No, it's good. It's
because
good.
it's my hood. You know, everybody's scared of me. I told you I'm a gangster here.
For sure.
Huh?
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Don't believe this guy any word. Also the
Chai.
egg
Ah.
in the morning.
Okay, guys. हो गई है शॉपिंग. मजा आ गया शॉपिंग करके. कैसा लगा शॉपिंग करके?
Acha. Kya?
Like in 7 euros, in 8 euros, you got 2 dresses. How are you feeling?
Really good.
Can you get anything in
I
8
like
euros
it.
in Germany? No, nothing.
Maybe sometimes they have sales for 5 euros. Be careful.
Hmm.
But it's not normal. Like it's the sale price. You know, sometimes when they try to get some last stuff
Stand
out.
here, stand here. So show me some model poses in front of this.
Why?
Yeah, because
I don't
lighting
model
is
for this.
lighting is so good. Here only, just
Why is the lighting so good?
yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like
Do you need a thumbnail?
yeah, that's why.
Are we doing a thumbnail?
Yeah, thumbnail. Oh, क्या बात है? क्या बात है? क्या बात? Oh भाई, yeah. ओ भाई, ओहो ओहो भाई गलत बन गया मैं इसका. अरे भाई सच्ची बता रहा हूँ. चक्कू मार लो जाते. ओ ओ ओ कम 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 कम. I'm regretting I'm your brother. I'm your bro. So guys, see my sexy car. Yeah. I'll buy a new one soon. I don't want to spend my money on the car. So can you hold this, baby?
It looks like you've been already around
Huh?
with your car
Around here.
everywhere around Delhi. Chalo.
So guys, be a guy like me. People take their friends to Hermes, Louis Vuitton. I took her to Zudio, guys. One of the most nice place. But it was nice, right? For the price range, it was
It's
nice.
good. I'm excited to wear.
Yeah. In tonight party, what are you wearing?
Hmm?
In tonight party, what are you wearing?
This?
This only.
What party is it? It's a techno party.
It's a models party in which they'll play techno. Yeah.
It's hard because I left all my techno stuff in another country. The problem with traveling is you have stuff everywhere. So I don't have techno clothes.
If you have something black, because black goes nice in the party. You can wear your new dress which you got from here.
That's blue.
Who knows in the night?
Okay, we'll see.
We'll see, guys.
I'll check my suitcase.
So tonight we'll dance.
because I only
crazy.
have classic clothes.
Oh, Indian dance. In the party, we'll do Indian dance. Okay, guys. Bye. This was it for this vlog. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Till then, I love you. And my name is
And my name is Deepa.
Rani.
Hey.
Say bye to them.
Bye bye. Oh, ooh. Hair. Bye bye. Enjoy your whatever you're doing, night and day or work or whatever.